Hello guys, good morning. This is the 80th day of 80, not 18. 80th day of English speaking, and now I am getting late. It's almost 11 a.m. right now, and I am just getting late because of I'm a corporate lawyer, so I have to go to my office now. There was a call of my senior. He was asking me, "Where are you?" And I was like, "I am on the way." So I am just about to leave, but because I am getting late. This is why I was thinking let's start this video from my own room and sharing with this, because sometimes I miss these kinds of experience with you. I want to share with you each and everything, and there was a call, and I already started this video, and I definitely going to continue this journey, you know what I will experience in this day. So bye, see you later. So guys, I am visiting in this garden today. If I talk about the location of this park, the location is this park is situated in Sheikh, and I am visiting here because there is a friend who visit daily in this park in the morning for walking, and I have seen so many clips on his channel of this park. So I was just going towards this road, six towards Sheikh. So I was thinking let's visit this park, and this is really good park. You can see there are so many roads are here for walking and running, and it's quite, there is no messy, and there are no lots of people are here, and I am walking all alone because it's a daytime. If I talk about the time is 2 p.m. right now, and the location is really good. You can see behind me. You are not going to see anyone. I am making video because I am all alone. If I see any people around me, definitely I would not going to capture myself. This is why I am making this video, because I am alone. And yes, it is really good. If I talk about the day, if I talk about, there is no one here, and I am just exploring. I don't want to visit all the parks. I just want to explore what kind of experience I will get through this park, and there is another kind of experience I will definitely going to take or experience. Let's show you. I am just going downside through this way, and you can see the sitting area, I guess. And now there are any peas are here, and now no one is here. But yes, this place is really good. If I talk about, you can see the place. No one is here. I am thinking I am alone here. If I talk about my day, okay, let's talk about my day. I didn't, have anything in the morning because I didn't cook in the morning today for my breakfast. So I was starving in the morning, and I don't want to, I didn't want to make anything, and I didn't want to cook anything for my breakfast. So, around at 10 a.m., I went outside, and then around at 10 a.m., I had butter naan today in the morning. I know butter naan is heavy, but yes, that could be my lunch, but I had it, so it is all about because I didn't take breakfast. So I am full right now. It's 2 p.m. but I am not, feeling hungry. So this is all about. If I talk about my, experience, I went to a customer visit in the Sangam Bihar, and then I go to Tugalkabad village for client meeting, and then I am here, and you can see the this is so scary if you are visiting alone. I am alone, so I am getting it's terrifying if you are visiting alone. If you find anyone here in a different look, you will feel definitely going to you will feel like I am in trouble. So if you want to visit here, visit with someone else, because this forest is really scary if you are visiting all alone. And there are some dogs here, and yes, I am going towards a dog, and there's I am just about to out. I am going to show you with the rear camera. I am heading this side. This is the outside. You can see I didn't come from that side, but I am just going this side, and this should be exit gate, I guess. I am not sure about it. So there is dog. There is a dog, and there is another dog. You know who are sitting there. You are not going to see that, and there is a person who can see, because through this park you will go different kinds of area. If you want to go Chirag Delhi, then you should go this side. If you want to go Dakshin Puri, then you should go this side. And if you want to go to GK, then you should go this side and take left. And if you want to go to Shaket Malvi Nagar, and just go this side and take right. And I am just go this side. I will go this side and definitely go to take right to go to Saket Court. Okay, so this is all about now, and I don't have any topic to speak on. This is why it's all about till now. I'm just going to the Saket Court, and then I will definitely going to share with you what I will experience today, because this is my kind of job to make videos for myself, because I want to gain fluency. Okay, I just want to explore the things and express with my words. Express with my words. I am visiting this, and you can see the path, the walking path. You can see this is really good. If you are visiting in the morning for walking, this would be great experience for you. And if you are visiting like I am visiting 2 p.m., that make no sense. That make no sense. Yes, that make no sense. That make no sense. It could be a correct sentence or not. I am not sure about it. So this would be my YouTube thumbnail, I guess. YouTube thumbnail this would be, and you can see I will definitely going to take a screenshot, and then I will put on my thumbnail by heading that English speaking journey. And if there are so many words you are, I don't think you can see there are so many words are here on the branches of this tree, and there are different kinds of tree you can see there. I don't even you know say the name, and I don't know the name of these many kinds of tree. And you can see this is the forest. There is a way You can go through this way, but I don't want to go to inside the forest because I am all alone. If I would find anything in the forest, I don't want to make myself in trouble. Why would I go there? It make no sense. And you are just saying there are some people who are coming that side from heading that side. They are coming from GK, and then they are I it might possible they are going to the Sakit. And if someone coming from the this way, they are coming from the Sakit side and going to the GK. This is the way to get easily through this park. But if you are on your foot, not by your vehicle, if you are on vehicle, then you should come by the road. So it is all about now. So I am just going to go to Sakit Kot. Bye.